Hello everyone, my name is Tzachi and welcome to my channel in which you will find videos of new and vintage Apple products, photography equipment and leading technological products. In today's video, you will take a look to all my recent updates on my desktop until now. In addition, together with you, we will unbox two external drives which are considered very popular with all leading editorial experts. During the last month, I started a massive upgrading process and changed my computer and all of my old editing equipment. Until about a month ago, I used the Apple iMac 27-inch computer from 2015, and as time went by, technology advanced and the operating systems have been upgraded, which is the reason the iMac has become very slow, even more so when I started using and edit with the Final Cut Pro and picture using Photoshop. Just before we jump into my new desktop, if you are new here, I will be happy if you could subscribe to my channel. I promise you won't be disappointed. At the end of this video, you are welcome to look through all my previous video. Let's take a look at my desktop, which is above me. My old 27 iMac was upgraded to Apple's new Mac Studio, which arrives with the M1 Max chip. Regarding the screen, I debated between the Studio display and the XDR display, and as you can see, I decided to go for it and spoil myself and bought the XDR with the Nano texture display. My disappointment is the screen camera, which doesn't exist. I took it for granted that this screen, as with the all Apple screens, comes with a camera, which is why I didn't even think to check, but I was surprised to find that now I had to buy a camera separately. In addition, I bought the new Magic Keyboard, which has the Touch ID and the gray limited editions mouse. There are another two updates I will do in the near future, and they are to buy a camera and upgrade the speakers. If you want to get some advice as to what you have just seen, please send me a comment below. Now let's quickly open the two external hard drives, which I will talk about in depth at a later video. My main hard drive will be the OWC Thunderblade 4TB, which I will use for editing all my videos. As you can see, it comes with a hard case and its finishing is on the highest quality. In this case, we have the drive and its accessories. Here we have the secondary drive, the 8TB Pro Black box, which I will use to save part of my videos. Here too we have the drive itself with all of its accessories. Guys, thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button. It's so important for me. Have a wonderful day.